How to deposit money on Coinbase. Let's get started. First, log in to your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your balance displayed at the top. From there, click on the cash option to start the deposit process. Next, choose the stablecoin you'd like to use for the deposit. In our case, we'll go with USDC. After selecting the coin, click on the deposit button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to choose a payment method. You can use either a card or PayPal. For this example, we'll proceed with a card. Now enter your card information. Make sure everything is accurate. Once submitted, you'll be redirected back to the main screen. At this point, your card should be saved and visible. You can now select the stablecoin you want to buy again. If the card doesn't show up right away, simply refresh the page. That usually fixes it. Then, enter the amount you'd like to deposit and click on Review Order. Take a moment to double-check the details, and if everything looks good, click Buy Now to complete the transaction. After a few minutes, your balance should update and reflect the new amount. You're now ready to start automated trading with Junglebot and take your crypto journey to the next level.